Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Show Autocomplete Suggestions in Address Bar in Windows 11 or 10 PC. When you start typing on address bar on Brave browser, such as we have just typed G and it offers me to search this one gearupwindows.com. It happens in Brave browser due to a setting that says shows autocomplete suggestions in address bar. It offers you suggestions from the top sites, browsing history, bookmarks, and Leo AI Assistant. In case you want to disable or you have already disabled and you want to enable this one feature, click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the left sidebar, select this one Appearance. On the right, under Toolbar, you will find this one option, Show Autocomplete Suggestions in Address Bar. By default, it remains enabled on your PC. You can toggle off to disable this one feature or toggle on to enable this one feature on your Windows PC.